Hello. I tried the Binance cloud mining and now I will show you the real profitability of this feature. Binance gives you the opportunity to buy some hash rate to mine bitcoins on the cloud. You don't need to have a physical miner to get crypto, but don't use it if you haven't watched the whole video yet. I just show my experience of using this. Okay, open the Binance app, go to more. Scroll down and find cloud mining. Then you get some offers you can invest in. I will try 90-day offer. Then enter the hash rate you want to have. I will try to use it with 20 terahashes per second. It will cost $191, its hash rate fee, and electricity rate. Okay, I paid this order and let's see what happens with this investment. After some days I started to get bitcoins to my funding wallet. To check it using the browser, go to Earn, Binance Pool, Cloud Mining. I open the order I bought. They pay me every day. I get 5,000 Satoshi every day in average. I got 95k Satoshi for 20 days. I opened this order for 90 days. Then it means I will get like 0.0043 bitcoins in total. The bitcoin price is $26,000 at the moment. So for 90 days I will get only $112. As you may remember, I invested $191. The profitability is minus 40%. It doesn't make sense to use the BTC cloud mining now. There are also other cloud mining orders. I have to say 180-day order is more profitable, but anyway, all of these orders have negative profit. You will get real profit on it if the BTC price is $30,000 or higher. So now it's better to just buy Bitcoin on the spot market instead of this. I hope this video was interesting for you. Thanks for watching.